Hi there. Today I wanted to make a quick video showing you how to provide public access to a localhost server using ngrok. So this allows a random generated URL to tunnel to a localhost, so that localhost and whatever is running on it can be shared with anybody, anywhere. All they need is the link. So the first thing that I've done here is I've set up an express server that at the root URL just sends hello world. So if we go ahead and look at that on the browser, you can just see localhost 3000 sends hello world. Great. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to come to this URL, ngrok.com/download, which I will leave in the description below. I'm going to go through the Mac install here, but if you are Windows, Linux, etc., you go through their install process, and it's all laid out super simple for you. So for Mac, you're going to go ahead and copy this ngrok or this brew install ngrok command, and then go back to your terminal and run that. Perfect. And I'm going to go ahead and come back once this is done downloading. Now that we're finished downloading, all I have to do is run one command and it will create a tunnel to my localhost. So all I have to run is ngrok http 3000. And look at that. It's created a tunnel. And if I expand this terminal here, you can see what the URL is. So this URL is tunneling directly to http localhost 3000. And this is an HTTPS, so if, for example, I've used this to test APIs, develop apps for Shopify, all sorts of things, and also demonstrate applications that are local on my computer to the client that wants to see them before they're pushed live. Perfect. And now, if I open a new tab and I go to that URL, you can see hello world. If I go ahead and change this, you'll see that it is the correct localhost. So I restart the host there. Perfect. And there you go. You have created a public URL. This can be accessed by anybody, anywhere on the web. You just have to send this to them. ngrok has a number of other features that you can use their tunneling features for. And I'll go ahead and leave a link to their documentation below. I hope this helped, and I look forward to seeing you in future videos.